There's this young woman, laki sa hirap. 16 pa lang nabuntis siya, so lalong naghirap. Yung nanay niya, dating kasambahay, katulong. So just imagine, gaano kahirap yung buhay, gaano kahirap yung pinagdaanan niya. But guess what? Because of her decision, she became a millionaire at the age of 19. Nagtuloy-tuloy na iahon niya yung buong pamilya niya sa kahirapan. And of course, all she ever wanted is to make her mom happy whatever it takes. Kasi nga, nagkatulong pa yung nanay niya para sa kanya, para iahon sila sa hirap, nagsumikap para sa kanila. But during the pandemic, her mom got really sick. Nagkasakit, nagkahika, and they decided they're gonna build a resort for her. Because of the stress during the pandemic, she lost her mom. But she made a promise that I'm gonna make and create one of the best resorts in Pansol just for you. At dyan na nabuo si Dear Sylvia.
It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night.
Yes, good day to you guys, and we are here in Indigo Bay, Pansol, Laguna to do a private resort tour. This will be the first time na gagawin natin to, right? Let's go. Unang mapapansin natin, yung malalaking gates natin, and of course, this is the parking area. Now, sa labas tayo nag-parking for the sake na makita nyo yung entrance natin. At ang unang mapapansin natin dito is this massive door. Very attractive siya kasi this is a mix of everything. You can see metals here, but at the same time, to keep it warm, marami tayong wood element. Pasok tayo. Going inside, ang pinakaunang mapapansin natin dito are the lights. Napakaganda ng lighting. And of course, meron tayong remote because we can adjust the lighting here. And dito muna tayo. Isa sa pinakamahalaga when it comes to private resorts, of course, pagkain. Tayong mga Pilipino, mahilig kumain. You can put the liquors here. Dito yung mga utensil, marami siyang nalagyan. Saing ka dyan, faucet. At nandito yung ating emergency exit. So, may access tayo dito, palabas. Now, we have here our own refrigerator. And on this side, kung ayaw mong maamoy yung ulam, like nagagayat ka ng mga seafood, nagagayat ka ng mga lahok sa pagkain, of course, pwedeng gawin yun sa labas at pwedeng magluto sa labas. And this place is a mix of everything. Kung mapapansin natin, maraming industrial elements, but also we have here a lot of wood to keep it warm. Para yung feeling natin medyo warm. So, syempre, hindi mawawala yung sariling video. Okay, napakaganda ng sound system, malaki yung screen, at tayo mga Pilipino, walang kahilig-hilig kumanta. O, tama na. Sobra na yon. Now, isa sa pinaka-paborito kong tambayan dito is this place. Maliban sa dito nagkakantahan, dito pwede mag-inuman, dito pwede magkwentuhan, napakaganda rin to take photos and stuff. You can see the pool area. So, kung may kasama kayong bata, habang nagre-relax ka dito, habang kumakanta ka dito, natatanaw mo yung mga nagsiswimming. So, now let's check the pool area. By the way, the pool area is around 110 square meters. The lot area is 420 square meters. And the whole floor area is more than 800 square meters, which means that this private resort can accommodate up to 80 people or more. Plus, sa third floor, meron pa tayong function room if you have an event. So let's go to the pool. Now, this is the pool area. So, ang kagandahan dito guys, pwede ito sa bata because we have here a kiddie pool. Plus, on that side sa dulo, mababaw lang siya. I think from around 2.5 feet to 5 feet right here. And of course, isa sa pinaka-paborito kong spot sa swimming pool natin is this. The jacuzzi. Alright? This is where you can drink wine. This is where you can enjoy coffee. And at the same time, just chill. Kasi dito sa Pansol, Laguna, sikat tayo sa natural na hot water. Natural spring water tayo dito, guys. Galing pa sa Makiling. And of course, we have here a room right here lang for couples. Puntahan na natin. So let's go inside the cabana room. And this room is dedicated for couples. So ang kagandahan, easy access sa pool area. Of course, may sarili tayong CR right here. And two-way access tayo. Kasi, andito na rin tayo. And we can relax and chill. And by the way, there's another room dito sa first floor para naman sa mga adults at kung may kasama tayong matatanda na ayaw nang umakyat na hagdan. Let's go. And just beside the videoke area, we have here another room that can accommodate a lot of people, like a lot. Now, we have here 2, 4, 5 people. So, kung meron tayong matatanda na ayaw nang umakyat ng hagdan, pwede sila dito. At ang good news, again, we have here easy access sa swimming pool. So, paglabas natin dito, ayan, look, jacuzzi area na tayo. And I think we're ready to go upstairs. Now, ready na tayong umakyat and I want you to see this area right here is the dining table. Ang laki, ang luwag. Siyempre, mahilig tayong kumain and there's a pool area and soon, magkakaroon to ng proper billiard table para naman mas mag-enjoy tayo sa ating laro. So let's go because this is my favorite spot. Would you look at that, guys? This is actually my favorite spot right here. Kasi habang nakakita ko at nababa ako dito, feeling ko napakayaman ko. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Okay, so let's explore the second floor. By the way, right here, meron na agad tayong... Okay, hindi pala siya kwarto, guys. Emergency exit again. So now, we have here a lot of rooms, like a lot. So dito, we have here several bunk beds. So it can accommodate 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 people. Now, dito. Ito yung largest room natin. Come inside. We have here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So itong room na to, it can accommodate 12 people. Again, may sariling CR yan, may sariling air condition. So dito muna tayo ulit. Same on the other side. In this side again, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 people. And this side, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 people again. Again, may sariling air condition tayo plus may sariling CR yan. And dito, sa pinakadulo muna, is another room that can accommodate 5 people. May sariling CR. And of course, ito yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat, guys. Pinakamahalaga. Pinakapaborito ko. The master's bedroom. Ang kwarto ng tagabayad. So, one of the best features here is of course, ang lambot ng bed. At ang lambot ng mga una natin, the quality is like you're in a hotel. Plus, ito lang yung kwarto na may TV. Another thing, if the master's bedroom, yung tagabayad natin, may kasamang mga chikiting may anak, meron siyang special feature. Kasi dito, gising ko lang, meron siyang extra bed para sa mga batang malikot. And of course, oops, on the other side, we have here another bed. At pwedeng ilipat itong bed na to dito sa side na to. So meron siyang sariling CR and this is actually the largest CR sa buong resort na to. At ang kagandahan dito, guys, let's move back a bit because here is another amazing view. Kasi alam nyo ba, guys, maliban sa pagsikat ng araw maganda dito, pagdubog ng araw maganda rin, plus, you can see the pool right there. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view natin dito. May access, itong ating master's bedroom, but there's also another access here to see all the resorts sa area na to. Plus, nandito yung swimming pool area natin. So, pwede mong bantayan yung mga nag-swimming, yung mga bata, and you can see the cabana room right there. And by the way, may isa pa akong pinakagustong part itong resort na to. Puntahan natin on the other side. Tara. So, nakakatawa lang guys, pag naglalakad ako dito sa place na to, feeling ko nasa hotel ako, pero private na hotel. Diba? Private resort ka, pero imagine, there are rooms right here. Andyan yung pamilya mo, colleague mo, pinsan mo, on the other side of the family. Bottom line, napakaraming pwedeng i-accommodate. And mapapansin nyo, just like sa front door natin, sa main door natin, napakalaki ng pintuan. And nakakatawa at nakaka-abundant sa feeling. Plus, this is extremely Instagrammable, where you can take some photos. Now, let's go. Of course, right here, ito yung harapan natin. We will have some cozy stuff placed sofa right here. And this is the balcony where you can see the car, the parking. And dito magkakaroon tayo ng Instagrammable area. We can put some lights here and you guys can take pictures. This is our access to the third floor and this is actually the function room. So mapapansin nyo guys, napakalaki niya and this can actually accommodate maybe 100 to 200 people, lalo na kung maganda yung pagkaka-arrange ng chairs natin. So, any kind of events, pwede dito. Makagandahan, after mong mag-event, after mong magpa-party sa function room, pwedeng mag-stay yung iba sa mga rooms natin and they can actually enjoy our swimming pools. Pero ang pinakamaganda dito guys is of course, maintindihan nyo that you guys can actually book your reservations. I'm gonna put the link in the description, in the comment section, and I'm gonna link the page of Dear Sylvia here in this video. But understand right now that I'm doing this, of course, to promote Dear Sylvia, to help this amazing resort get clients. Kasi nga, napakaganda nitong resort na to, nakapag-stay na ako dito. And yung kinikwento ko sa inyo na dating katulong, dating kasambahay, na nawala during pandemic, was actually my grandmom. So this resort was my mom's promise to my grandmom. At nag-manifest siya into reality. And we just want to share with you the story behind, but of course, understand that private resorts in Pansol, Laguna is also an amazing investment. So ang good news, you can stay in this place, you can book this place, or maybe you can purchase this place. And MJ Lopez can help you with your marketing. So let's go out to close this vlog. Ayan guys, this is the end of the tour and always remember that everything good starts with yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez and see you soon.